Open it. You gotta open it. Tear the paper.
He says, Bob. Who is that? Is that Bob?
Oh, SpongeBob.
Go ahead.
Oh, we go. That's gonna take a while. One little piece.
You're like 6 years old.
Why don't you sit right here?
He
doesn't want to mess up the pretty paper.
Oh boy. Oh, there's a bigger piece.
Look. What is that?
He's all
That's something for me.
meticulous.
That looks like a
That's
puzzle.
awesome.
I got two
That looks like a puzzle.
back there.
Yeah, that's a puzzle.
Okay.
It is a puzzle mat.
Oh, it's a puzzle.
Carpet.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like a little
I thought
carpet.
It's a puzzle mat.
Oh, already?
Oh,
It's like a little rug, but it's a
Definitely
puzzle.
That is
That's
so
together.
cool.
Oh, stick his finger
It's
in
a
there.
play mat, like puzzle monkey.
I like
Kimmy?
that.
To Andrew
Henry
from
sees-
Indiana.
Oh.
I have one like that.
There you go.
What do you do with it? Lay on it?
It's a play mat.
Yeah.
Oh, like everybody has a play mat. What's a play mat?
They didn't have those when you were little,
I
Dad.
know.
Oh, he wanted Santa Claus.
We just had
Oh.
serious
Santa Claus.
mats.
That's one of his presents. up there
Andrew.
on the,